Providing Australia with nuclear submarine technology under the AUKUS Pact shows that the US and the UK have adopted a double standard on nuclear export, experts have said.
We can say that the AUKUS alliance is probably the most significant security arrangement between the three nations since the World War II, as I said, and the pact will focus on military capability. The US is sharing the submarine technology for the first time in 50 years. We know that because it had only shared technology with the UK. So this time, the double standard might be more challenge to the region because of, as you said, 90% enriched uranium is already the weapon grade nuclear. It's not the nuclear for peaceful development.
I am intrigued by these double standards which are, which exist in global politics. For example, Pakistan applied for the membership of Nuclear Suppliers Group. While all efforts were there by the Western powers to push India's membership, Pakistan's membership was being denied. So we see these double standards and duality of policies very often. So we are not surprised, but of course we are saddened that contrary to pronouncements and declarations for world peace and global harmony by the biggest of the biggest, we see that the initiatives and the steps they take contradict their own pronouncement.